The technical director, our coaches, educators, course participants and coaches, course coordinator, media houses in attendance, ladies and gentlemen, all protocol observed. It is a great privilege and honor on behalf of Eswatini Football Association to be requested to express a closing statement to this FIFA coach mentoring program and coaching course, which commenced on Monday. May I commence this closing statement by first expressing our sincere appreciation to the FIFA technical expert and mentor for facilitating this program and course to sharpen the skills of our coach educators and our coaches who have assumed the critical journey and coaching their development. We particularly express satisfaction for the successful accomplishment of this week-long program. As you have said, the Football Association has followed with keen interest the implementation of the program, where we have impressed with the intensity, especially the timelines which extended to evenings of work. We are already impressed with the positive reactions from the participants, coordinators, and observers alike. This shows the great impact the program is already making. It is our hope that the technical skills and experience gained throughout the week has already transformed our coaches, educators, and coaches to help the country establish better elite players for our clubs and national teams for a better performance. Accolades are henceforth due to FIFA, the FIFA technical expert. We have also noted the collaboration role of our technical department, technically and physically. Your participation and supportive role are beneficial to you and the association, as we believe your participation too have sharpened your skills and experience, your work being the continued development of our football goes beyond the call of this program. We further pay gratitude to the coach educators for having committed to help develop coaching in the country. As one looks around, the facial expressions of our coach educators indicates that they are now beaming with extended confidence, such that they are now ready to face their next task after this course. To you coaches, you must know that you have started a journey to be elites in the field. You must therefore not be overawed by the situations that you will face practical on the field. You need to remain humble, seek guidance, remain confident to reaching greater heights, and most importantly, continue to work hard to Football Association through its inherent structures will continue to arrange for other complementary training programs or courses to upgrade your confidence. So ngiyabona ukuthi vele nifundzile, you are beaming with smiles, etc. FIFA expert, when I look at them, ngibona nje ukuthi bonke bajabulile, they are beaming with confidence. So the educators, they gave you the real stuff. Don't doubt yourself. I'll tell you the story. Kwakune mbumbutse bayiphakela nje kahle inyama yenkukhu base bayitshela ukuthi ya lamhla udla inkukhu ngoba kaboni wenda so acabanga ukuthi vele bamdoja wathi oh mina lamhla ngidla inkukhu kushothi nine nidla inyama yembuti. So they gave you the really chicken lalabayidlako nabo. It's not ukuthi bona badla inyama yembuti banikete inanga. So ke in the next few weeks, we will see growth in the technical department with addition of a full-fledged education division to help get our coaches to the elite and pro levels of coaching. And njoba sisho nje ukuthi kulamalanga sibhizi siprocessa processes lokuthi sigcine sichashe education officer so that more of the courses because that's one of the requirements, because you must have an educator officer abe khona so that they can bring more FIFA courses. So logo nje process and starts masicala ngabo August taba sakhona kulamalanga sitaqhubeka sente interviews etc. So which is one of the things Football Association is doing for the coaches. Benkathi ndawushaya tandla njabule. New technologies in coaching are also a must to given the scientific nature of the game. To this end, we have now entered into a cooperation agreement with one of the leading countries in football, which will see some technically and coaches exchange program. As njoba ngisho nje ukuthi sesine agreement with one of the countries laletulu lokuthi sitawuthumela bo coach lokuthi bawuthole ama attachment etc. so that batobuya ba impact the knowledge in the country. I think we cannot wait to see your impact on our coaches in their respective clubs, academies, and most importantly, the players who make merry the football game. As Swaziland Football Association, we cannot exhaust the expression of our gratitude to FIFA for her unrelenting investment in technical development as a critical part to the universal performance of the game. In bringing to a fault these short remarks, one would like to wish our FIFA expert safety and prosperity as he departs to his original place of abode and other responsibilities that await him. I also would like to thank the organizers of the course, in particular the technical department, the coordinators, and all pertinent parties that have made this program a success. One will also want to pay a special tribute to the critical and sterling role of the media houses for having extensively covered and promoted this program. Best wishes of safety to you all as you depart to start working earnestly. It is now opportunity for me on behalf of the Swaziland Football Association to declare this course educators, mentoring and coaching course officially closed. God bless you all. Thank you for your attention.